Hello from the Storm 5 HD Weather Center. I'm News Channel 5 meteorologist Kelly Cox. Look for lots of sunshine across the mid-state today. We are going to see lots of sun, just a few clouds in the mix, especially in our eastern areas by noon. Most of the southern parts of the mid-state have already seen some sun coming back by then. And we'll continue to see just a few clouds in those eastern areas, even some southeastern today. But most of the area sees mostly sunny skies, and I don't think we're going to squeeze out any showers. So for tonight, mostly clear, dry weather going into your Sunday, dry, and I think overall just sunshine throughout the day. We will see mostly sunny skies to completely sunny skies on your Sunday, with the dry air sort of peaking tomorrow with low dew points. Some areas even seeing 50s out there for your dew point temperature. That means lower humidity. We'll feel that lower humidity today, but it just keeps on coming. 84 for your low, or for your high rather, today. Sunshine returns. Look for a north wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour, so a little breezy into the afternoon. Tonight down to a refreshing 63, and we get that 63 for 2 nights in a row. So look for 2 nice cool nights and mornings across the area. 86 Sunday, 88 Monday, and we're back to near 90 on Tuesday. So enjoy the weekend. We'll see 20% rain chances back on Wednesday, and then 30% rain chances for Thursday and Friday as a front does push closer to the area, and we'll see highs back into the 80s. A quick check on your pollen shows that we're in kind of the medium low category. We are at a 4.6 on a scale of 1 to 12, with grass pollen being the main pollen still out there. Well, that is your full forecast. Thanks for stopping by News Channel 5, and I hope you have a great weekend.